Hi, so this is my bike check video. I am Anirban from Siliguri, and this is a Scott Aspect 980 frame, and this bike is fully custom built, like nothing except for the frame and maybe what more? Oh, and the derailleur hanger. Those are the only stock things in this bike. Everything else is custom. So let me just show you. The first thing is this handlebar. This is a 780 alloy handlebar, and then it's a generic fork, not a Fox 32, but looks cool with the Fox sticker, so I put it though. It's an air fork with remote lockout, and it's 120 mm. Coming to the crank, it's 170 mm Holotech and has a 3060 oval, and then the rear cassette. It's a 1150 with DR M610, and the wheel set is Giant GX28. Yeah, I know you must be thinking that 28 is hybrid size, but actually not. That can fit 29er tires very well, and I'm running Schwalbe's on rear and Ralston Indian brand on front. Then coming to my saddle, it's a carbon saddle, and the main hack in my bike is this shifter. This is a non-index shifter, like it can work with any speed, because in one accident I had broken my original shifter. So this saved me in races, like the shifting is very fast, and this is a between count 4 speedometer, and then MT200 brakes, and that's pretty much it.